Welcome to this short presentation accompanying our poster on the B3CARE XNAT-Based Research Infrastructure for Imaging Biomarker Validation. To explain the B3CARE project and what it aims to do, we will first show a short video. To be able to run a project like B3CARE, the infrastructure is a vital part and therefore also included as the first work package of the B3CARE project. In this project, we are developing a large-scale, high-quality imaging data biobank based on the virtual research environment of the UMCG, developed in close collaboration with the Center for Information Technology of the University of Groningen. The main component in this B3CARE environment is the XNAT open source platform that acts as the imaging data biobank that will eventually contain over 70,000 examinations as part of this project. Within the protected VRE, various data management and artificial intelligence image processing services are made available to the end users to perform image data analysis. One example is shown here. The AI tools acquire their data from the XNAT storage and also return the AI results into this environment. Extensions to XNAT to handle bulk data processing for the validation of the AI algorithm are currently under development and will include project-based bulk data export from XNAT for training our own models and bulk data transfer to AI tools for validation of the AI-based imaging biomarkers. Part of these AI tools are installed fully on-premise. Others are implemented as a hybrid cloud solution consisting of a liaison server embedded in the research workspace environment and connected to a cloud server environment that provides the actual AI algorithms. Due to information security requirements, the UMCG's Privacy and Security Standards Framework had to be completed together with our security office. This has resulted in a standard for cloud services for research purposes. Any new cloud servers can now go through an accelerated procedure and thus be more quickly embedded in the existing IT infrastructure. Current work aims to further develop and optimize the XNAT environment to optimally integrate AI. Please read our poster in full or contact us to get more information.